everybody, welcome back to another video. There's not really much of an install today, or not really much related to car parts. I'm really sorry about that. But if you want to see that, come back 2 days later and let me tell you what we're doing today. If you remember, like two videos, 3 videos, 4 videos or something back, I installed the rear struts on the 350, and like you see, I have some issues with the ride height. That's a lot of wheel gap. 3 fingers. That's a lot of wheel gap. Other side is it's 2. So while we were adjusting them, I don't think we measured it good enough. So I'm gonna try to get both sides equal. I think on that side, 2 fingers. 2 fingers is not bad. And I'm gonna try to get this side. I'm trying to get this to 2 fingers as well. And another thing we're doing today is getting the new shop lights. See this? It's not really enough. See, like that shop light? I don't think it's enough. I think we need more. I got 2 more. Let's see how lit we can get this place. If we end up not having enough light, you know, I want to get this place like bright, like really bright. I want it to look really bright. I'm gonna try to put 2 more and see how that looks. And that's all we're doing today. My hydraulic jack stopped working, so I had to use a scissor jack, and it's a pain. Anyway, so I got this side up. This is the side that's good. Not now, obviously, because the car's up high. But this is the side that's fine. It was 2 fingers, so I'm just take off the wheel and take measurements of the strut itself and how many threads I'm in, and then just copy the same on the other side. Alright, that took way longer than expected, but I did have to do major adjustments. I did get the car to sit equal on both sides now, so we should be fine. We're about like 1.5 fingers of gap. That's not bad, that's pretty good. But I'm really, like, I'm all sweaty and nasty, so we're gonna do a quick change of t-shirt. Much better. Okay, now we can work on the garage lights, and that's what I'm more excited about for today's video. So we do have the one light over there, but it's really not that bright in here. So I want to try to put one over there on that wall. I don't know if my drill is gonna, this is bad lighting, see, this is bad lighting. I don't know if my drill is gonna be powerful enough to put one on this wall, but I'm gonna try. If not, I'll put one somewhere else. The thing is, with this garage door, it comes all the way up here, and I want to put a light over here, but then I can't because the garage door would block it. So I'm gonna try to put one on the wall here, so that way it just reflects some light over here and it'll look much better. This ceiling is very ugly, by the way. It's very ugly. Alright, so I'm gonna pick one of these lines. I think this. Alright, so I have one hole right here, the hole there. Now I'm gonna measure and put one over there, and then we should be good. I have 2 of the lights, so I'm gonna find a place for the other one too. My drill ran out of battery, so while I wait for that to charge, I got these cable staples. If you remember the lights that I got before, on the top, see the cable's hanging on the drill's charging, but on the top the cable's just hanging. So I'm gonna hook these cable staples up, and then we should look nice and tidy. Alright, so I literally put 1, 2, 3, and I think we look much cleaner. I don't want to put too much money into this garage. Like, I want to make it look nice and everything, but everything on a budget, because this isn't like my own place. I'm renting it out, but everything looks nice and clean. Cable staples don't cost much, so I also want to, oh my god, I'm so bright. So I also want to put lights back here. This is where the toolbox and the workbench is gonna be. So while the drill is charging, I think I'm gonna just mark it up, and then put one down here. This one is not gonna be like hanging like the previous one. This one I'm just gonna mount it straight to the wall, because if it's hanging, we do have lower clearance here, and I'm a little too tall for that. So alright, so I just measured this whole wall. It's about like 118 to 120 feet long. I want to put the light like right in the middle. That's why I measured it. So 120 feet, half it's 60, 30, 30 on that side. I just did some very weird math, but trust me on this, it's gonna work. It looks pretty good, but there is like a tiny tad little bit of space and it's bothering me. So I'm gonna put the screws in like a little bit further up, and then we should be flush. All right, now we're like perfectly flush, and that makes me happy. I need to run this wire up to a power source over there. I have to figure something out about the power. So we do have some battery on the drill. I just drilled out the 2 holes, same exact spot. Made them a little fatter so I can put these in, and then the light should go on. And we're solid. Okay, now I'm gonna try to hook this up over there and use some sort of extension to see how it actually looks, and that'll probably be it for today's video. Okay, I'm running an extension cord from the top, from the garage opener thing, down here. It turned off because it unplugged. That looks pretty good. We have light here, we have light here, we have one light back there. We're properly lit, I think. I have to have all these on at the same time in order to really be the judge of that. But that'll be it for today's video. If you stayed this far, thank you for hanging around. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and also please like the video. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.